In the previous lesson, we covered the first two parts of the STEPPS model, social currency and triggers. In this lesson, we will cover the next two parts, emotion and public visibility. Let's get started. So for emotion, this is where you capitalize on people's emotions to compel them to engage with and share your post. Emotions are powerful things. And when you learn how to tap onto this potential, you'll see your engagement go way up. Now, you should focus on high arousal emotions in your content. These would be positive emotions like awe, excitement, and amusement. Having said that, negative emotions like anger and anxiety or low arousal emotions like contentment or stress do not elicit as much shares as high arousal emotions. Next, let's move on to public visibility. Now, when we talk about public visibility, we're looking at people following what others do publicly. This has to do with keeping trends and what's being considered socially celebrated. An example of this would be the Ice Bucket Challenge, where to raise money for ALS research, users would throw a bucket of ice water over their heads and challenge others to do the same. The more public something is, the more likely it is to be imitated. Make your brand and content accessible to your general public with something that is encouraged to be shared. In the next lesson, we'll move on to the last two parts of the STEPPS model, practical value and storytelling.